within the vXchnge, getting access to monitored systems, monitored power, access to contractual disaster recovery for the diesel generations of that, the monitored HVAC, the manned data center, and the logging and the security of the access side of those things that you just wouldn't do on premise, knowing that you have those amount of redundancies built within the data center. Again, you can't get that kind of redundancies cost effectively into most local businesses. It's something that we market heavily to those customers. It provides that unique solution set to the customer beyond just saying, we'll manage what you have, to be able to come in and recognize as we go to manage that their servers may not be in an adequate environment to give them the uptime that they're now looking for, and allow us to say we can relocate these servers to a data center to give you the uptime, availability, and security that you now need with your systems, and do it in a cost-effective manner. We have a coffee provider that makes custom coffee in the area side, and they were basically in a closet with the overall solution side of that. So it was poor heating, suffered a lot of downtime because of the overall environment the servers were in. Was a growing business, was now starting to reach the growth period side of it, but was struggling because of just overall uptime and frustrations with the equipment. So we relocated them into the data center, and they've been successful ever since, and hence grown. Actually, the business has over tripled in size since then, and the system's been able to gradually expand easily for them by knowing that they have a secure environment to put it into. Yeah, it definitely benefits from one, obviously ease of accessibility for us to be able to deploy locally. Those solution sets allow us to create that custom access, and being able to have affordable bandwidth to be able to get to those. So to give them a secure data center with affordable bandwidth access to them, and the flexibility of what the data center has just by having such great carrier access really helps to design the solution.